Sativo Saturday, everyone! Today we're going to celebrate the national cocktail of Mexico, the Paloma. Salud!
Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a Paloma. We're going to do half an ounce of lime juice, half an ounce of agave, 1 full ounce of ruby red grapefruit juice, 2 ounces of El Sativo tequila. Add some ice and give it a shake. Put ice in your glass and then fine strain it. Top it off with some carbonated mineral water. Top it off with some ruby red grapefruit juice. Last, we're going to add 2 drops of a saline solution. Give it a final stir. Garnish with a slice of ruby red grapefruit dipped in sugar. There you have it.
Look at that garnish. It's dehydrated, candied grapefruit. It is like a piece of candy.